I'm at Hyatt VividGrand, and this is the Vantage Club Master Suite. And it's huge, lots of space here. So we walked through the bathroom area, then we come around. You've got this great sitting area. This is a very unique layout. So look at the square footage. It's huge. You've got the bar. This is a bay view, so this would be a bay view. They also have the golf view. Then this is your living room area with a TV. Again, huge balcony wrapping around. That's a restaurant right there. You come over here and you have your bedroom. So really unique use of space here where it's one big room, but they've divided it up. We've got a hammock out here. Again, this is the bay view. You can see the bay, pool deck down there. We come around here to this huge bathroom. The shower could hold, I don't know, 8 people. And how cool is this? So you can be outside, I guess take your shower. You want to walk out, you can go right out to your balcony, right from your shower. Really unique. And again, we have vanity, double sinks, nice mirror, and the bathroom, which is nice with the connecting door. This is Hyatt VividGrand, adult only, and a Dreams is coming soon, but this is adult only. Once Dreams is open, adults will have access to go over to Dreams.